Hey Internet, Brainy Bill from Bill Louden Science here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own cool kinetic sand at home, and I'm going to do it in just one breath. Here we go. For this demonstration, you'll need a mixing bowl, a measuring cup and spoon, some fine aquarium or reptile sand, corn starch, and cooking oil. First, mix 5 parts sand with 3 parts corn starch. Measure 1 part cooking oil, but don't add it just yet. Mix the sand and baking soda into a uniform consistency, then slowly add oil and mix. The corn starch reduces the space between the grains of sand, allowing for more surface area interaction. The oil acts like a cross-linker or polymer, sticking the grains of sand together without sticking to fingers and surfaces. Add more corn starch or cooking oil as needed until your sand is ready to sculpt. Pretty cool, right?